By the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how to build a virtual tour in less than 10 minutes. Long gone are the days where you have to stitch your photos in one software, color grade in another software, and remove the tripod legs in another software. Now you can do everything in a single app. So to follow along this tutorial, you're going to need the Insta360 X5, the Best 360 Monopod Pro, and an iPhone. So let's get started. Step number one is to take the photos. So to do this, I set up the Best 360 Monopod at eye level to get the most natural looking photos. The mode I use is 360 photo mode, and in the settings I have HDR photo on. The format is set to pure shot. The resolution is set to 72 megapixels. You can give yourself 5, 10 or 15 seconds to hide from the camera. And then the white balance is set to auto. There are two main rules when taking photos. The first rule is to take the minimal amount of photos required to show the entire room, because no one likes to click through lots of photos. And the second rule is to make sure that each photo can see each other so you can connect them later. Now that you captured all the photos, the next step is to take the photos from the camera and download it onto your phone so you can upload it onto the Virtual Tour app. To do this, connect the X5 to the Insta360 app, tap Select, select all the photos in the tour, tap Export to Phone, Save to Album, wait for the photos to export. Once the photos have finished exporting, you can then turn off the X5 and all the photos have been saved to your photo album. And here you can see the export resolution is 11K. Now that you have the photos downloaded to your phone, the next step is to make your first virtual tour for free using the Clear Pano app. To do this, go to the App Store and download Clear Pano and open the app. You will need to register and create an account. To create a new tour, go to New Tour, and I will name this tour Parisian Hotel Room. Tap Create, browse photos, select the photos that I just exported, tap Add, and a virtual tour has been created. Now let's connect the photos together so you can tap on the screen to go from one photo to another. To do this, I will point the crosshair where to add a hotspot. So I will hold down my finger on the screen, select a floor hotspot, go into scene 2. So now when I tap the hotspot, it will go to scene 2. This scene will go to the bathroom, which is scene 3. So I'll hold down my finger on the screen. This time I will choose an area hotspot because it's going into a different room, and select scene 3. So now when I tap the scene 3 hotspot, it goes into the bathroom. So now I need a hotspot going out the bathroom. So I will hold down my finger on the screen, select area hotspot, going back to scene 2. Then I'll go back to scene 2, add a hotspot to go into the middle of the room, which is scene 4. Then I'll go forward to scene 4, add a hotspot going back to scene 2, and add a hotspot going to scene 5 next to the window. Then I'll go to scene 5, add a hotspot going to scene 4 and scene 2. And now when I go back to the beginning of the tour, go to Preview, I can now tap the hotspots to go around the virtual tour. So now that the photos are connected together, let's remove the tripod legs from the bottom of the 360 photos to clean them up. To do this, look down at the tripod legs, go to Remove, make a selection over the tripod legs, And now the tripod legs have magically disappeared. Then you can go to the next photo and repeat the process. And now the tripod legs have been removed from all the photos. So now that the photos are cleaned up, let's add some color. To do this, go to color and you can experiment with all the options here. I'm going to lift the shadows to make the photos appear brighter. Then I'll go to vibrance and increase it to make the color accuracy better. Then I'll go to saturation and boost it to make the colors pop. And to apply this color grade to all the photos in the tool, I will tap apply all. And now all the photos are color graded. If you want to change the starting point of a 360 photo, this is how to change it. So when I switch to scene 5, this is the center point. But if I want this to be the center point instead, tap center. Now the center point is updated. So when I switch back to scene 5, it goes to the correct center point. There are so many more useful tools in the Clear Pano app, but we're going to skip ahead and I'm going to show you how to publish your first virtual tour so you can share it online. To do this, first tap the sync button and this will upload your virtual tour to the cloud. Wait for the upload to complete. When the upload is completed, tap the export button, scroll down. Here I will make the tour public to everyone, tap publish tour, and now your virtual tour is live on the internet. To share the tour, tap copy link, and then you can share the link with anyone on social media. So let's check out the live tour on the internet. So I'll go to Chrome, paste the link, and now the tour has loaded. So now you can tap the tour to look around. That's it. Now you know how to make a virtual tour in less than 10 minutes. If you have any questions or issues, then you can contact me in our free Clear Pano Telegram community. I'll leave the link in the video description and I'll see you in the next video.